Ang layo ng setup.
Galing natin.
Yeah! Lahat nanalo. Abangan niyo ang magic na mangyayari. Alam niyo naman ang Pinoy, very resourceful. Sana magawa natin to. Ang galing pala ng effect ng oil kasi para siyang abstract to. You know, it's exquisite. Wow! Welcome to another episode of Kakatakam. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa National Museum di para mag-food crawl, kung hindi para magluto at mag-serve ng dish kasama si Chef Angelo at Chef Don. Kaya tara, samahan niyo kami for today's event. So, I'm cooking for 230 people. Ito lang po yung gamit namin. Halos wala. Pero, abangan niyo ang magic na mangyayari. Alam niyo naman ang Pinoy, very resourceful. So, sana magawa natin to. Kamusta to? Okay. Saan lang ka nga na isang empanada? Hindi ko pa ito natitikman eh. Kangkong empanada and nasan yung chicken? Kaya, ano pa na pork? Hindi yan actually. Susunod natin magki-catering tayo. Pero conceptual catering. Kaya kayo na yung sinama ko. Gusto niyo bang sa catering? Gusto niyo ba sa catering? Maganda to kasi ang daming nag-i-inquire sa amin. Yung malalaking bahay sa Makati. Tayo mag-cater. Game. Laban lang. Araw-araw ko sinasabi yan. Laban lang. Kasi, meron na tayong Convi food, meron na tayong Kochi food, may Tango Tandoor food tayo, may Mr. Monk food tayo. So, ang dami na ng variations natin. May steaks na tayo, may lechon na tayo. Tapos, yung liempo, yung pork liempo, saan papasok niya din dito? Idala rin naman ako induction. Kailangan niya ba kung kailangan niya ng induction? Pwede yung i-induction later yung pork. May cooler akong dala. Mamaya. Just in case kailangan. And then sinasabi ko, Angelo, na wala tayong resources halos. Pero may kita nila yung magic na lalabas mamaya. 230 plates galing dito. Tingnan nyo, nakakatawa. Kakaiba ang ating episode today dahil ngayon makikita nyo ako magluto para sa isang malaking event katulad nito. So dito yung pagkain, ganyan? Ganon? Oh my God! Alam mo, baka pwede naman ilusot na yan. Oo, pwede yan ilusot. Kasi may saksakan eh. Kaya yan, Angelo. Kaya yan.
Sauce ko man lang, mainit din.
Yun nga din.
Which one is sir?
Wala pa dito. Wala pa dito yung plate ko. Yung parang titibayan mo na yung loob mo na magagawa nyo. Kasi parang ang daming challenges. Ang layo ng setup. Nakita niyo ba yung nakit natin kanina? Tapos sira pa daw yung aircon. Nakapansin niyo ang init? Kasi sira daw yung aircon. Well, we'll see. Pwede natin lagyan din ito mamaya ng pampaasim. May pampaasim ba ito? Wala? Wala. Lagyan natin na lang din mamaya. Para pati yung gulay, may source ng asim. Tatanggalin ko ito dito baka ma-over. Okay lang, masarap naman patigasin yan eh. Para kasi... para din tumigas kasi ang lambot. Pangit ng consistency. Parang tinapay lang. Sample! Practice naman dyan. Practice talaga. This is the masterpiece of Chef Angelo. Oo nga, nahirapan ako magbigay ng pangalan. Sabi ko, call a friend. Message namin si Angelo. Tulungan niyo si Marvin mag-ayos ng pangalan niya. Sabi ko kasi pagod na ako magluto. Kakaisip ng pangalan. Wow! Ang sarap. Parang salmon spread. Alam mo, parang na siyang salmon spread. Actually, hindi siya mababa, Angelo. Matangkad ka lang. Huwag mo kang nilalait yung mga kaya naming abutin. May tinapay ba kayo? Tinan mo, ha? Oh. Parang spread, oh. Parang spread, oh. Oh? Salmon spread by Angelo. Ito up?
Na texture na almost. Parang siyang panggitata na. Para at least madali na rin for you in there. Gusto mo pagawa?
Gusto mo paano natin to? Pasama natin sa cocktails?
Gusto mo try
Pasama natin sa cocktails, ha? Pero bago kami mag-serve sa event, nagkatuwaan kami ng aking chef friends na i-present ang aming mga dish at i-taste test ito. Siyempre, unang-una na dito si Chef Angelo. Contestant number 1, Angelo comes to you from Luzon.
So this is my dish for the TWA anniversary. We start with salmon mosaic, salmon fillet, glazed with miso, Japanese miso, and then rolled in crushed nori. And then we sous vide it for 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna put gold salt from Guimaras just to season it. And then this is suam na mais from Pampanga. I just pureed it and then strained it para magmukhang clear broth.
Wow!
And then, of course, corn sauteed.
Sauteed in?
Just butter.
Butter.
And then I have chili crisp, croutons, and alfalfa stripes.
Kaya pala ang dami mong alpha-alpha.
Yan, kasi we're in the National Museum. Kailangan artsy, maarte.
Kaya nga may salmon mosaic ka pa kanina.
Yan. Okay,
Nice one, Angelo.
Here. So you can try it.
kaya parang mas, hindi siya corny. Ito, sobrang corn talaga. Grabe.
Ang galing pala ng effect ng oil. Kasi para siyang abstract, to.
Really good. Super, yeah.
Kailangan hot yung soup.
Either way.
Either way,
Either way.
it works. Grabe tong dish ni Chef Angelo. Di magpapatalo sa creative presentation at combination of flavors ng kanyang dish. Ngayon, tignan naman natin kung anong inihandang dish ni Chef Don. Contestant number 2, representing Mindanao,
So,
Chef Don.
for my dish, it's kulman na intom.
Host na din.
A dish inspired by Mindanao. So, parang combination of two dishes, pampaitom and kulma. So, on the side, smoked pumpkin.
Ano yung papaitom?
Pampaitom parang coconut na burnt until black. So, yun yung seasoning sa some of the dishes sa Mindanao.
So, yan na yun,
Yeah, so just burnt coconut. Tapos you just put it on the plate.
Grabe. Merong show.
Tapos Wagyu brisket.
Oh, may show.
This singkamas and sakurab onions. Then this is the kulma sauce. So it's tomato, peanut, burnt coconut.
Iyan yung parang other dish that you combine, right? Itum
So
and...
pampaitom and kulma, which is yung beef dish talaga essentially.
Oh.
Then different greens from the farm that we work with. So alagaw, saluyot, a little bit of...
Deep-fried it?
Yeah, so deep fried tapos dehydrated just to reduce the oil a little.
Dinihydrate pa?
Yeah.
Nag-abala si Don.
Yeah, that's it. So kulma na itom.
You know, it's exquisite. Wow.
May ganun.
Yung pumpkin we cook in the oven mga 3 hours.
How did you cook the beef? Sarap.
Slow cook 125, mga 8 hours.
Wow, 8 hours pa rin.
Yeah, brisket.
Brisket. Sarap.
Sarap kasi yung smokiness ng sauce and then the sweetness of the puree.
So parang everything's quite playful pero at least homage pa rin to...
Kailangan ko palit ang plate ko.
It's amazing. Looks amazing. Sarap. Ang sarap ng ginawang combination ni Chef Don for this dish. Sobrang nag-complement lahat ng flavors at syempre, di rin nagpatalo sa plating. Now it's my turn. At syempre, hindi magpapahuli ang ating dish pagdating sa lasa at presentation. Kanin sa microgreens. Apan-apan, stuffed chicken inasal. Sauce is inasal and inasal sa gata.
You roasted the chicken?
Yes. Comfort food.
Oh.
Comfort food na nagbestida.
Sarap with the chara.
Sabi na chara na.
Or it cuts through the richness. But I want more sauce.
You want more sauce?
Let me try the sauce.
Yeah.
Ano yung apple-apple?
Yeah.
Sarap, no?
Sarap na sauce.
Fresh kasi yung microgreen.
Hintay ko pa nga silang tumubo. Yan. Sana tumubo pa kayo. Kasi ano gusto niyang mag-accessories. Kasi nasa National Museum siya.
Galing natin.
Yeah! Lahat nanalo. At dahil nagsimula na ang event, nagsimula na rin kaming mag-prep at mag-ready para sa first dish. Ang dish ni Chef Angelo ang unang i-serve, kaya naman nagtulong-tulungan kami para maihahin na ito.
Hi, good evening guys. Happy anniversary, Queerista.
Chef Angelo, may we know what will you be preparing for guests? Give us a brief intro of what will be serving tonight to our esteemed guests.
So there are 3 chefs tonight. I'm starting with a dish inspired by Luzon. So I'm doing suam na mais from Pampanga, but it's so different from the ones you're used to. What I have is salmon mosaic. So it's salmon fillet that I brushed with or glazed with miso. And then rolled it in crushed nori. And then turned it into mosaic, sous vide it. Around it is my version of suam na mais. Then there's chili crisp, there's alfalfa sprouts, there's breadcrumbs, there's corn, and there's love.
And of course, love is the most important ingredient of all.
Sunod naman ay ang aking dish. This is actually my comfort food from Bacolod that I enjoy having with my kids. So it's chicken inasal. I use boneless quarters. Then I stuffed apan-apan. Apan-apan is Bacolod's version of adobong kangkong.
Nice to know.
Yeah. Apan-apan. And then the drippings of the sauce, I cooked it with the gata. So that's gatang inasal.
Okay.
Then I
After
made
paglabas
chara
ito,
and adlay, garlic adlay rice. Pengi pang ganito, may ganito pa kayo? May ganito pa kayo? Oh, hindi, kahit anong container. Kailangan natin para tayo bumilis. Ganito, plating. Simple lang, ha? Plating. Adrian. Okay. Okay, bring out the plates. More sauce, more sauce. Dalawa. Para hindi ka malito, dalawa. Sauce, ha? Don't forget the sauce. Patingin nga ako ng quantity. And down to our last dish for tonight, ito naman ang dish ni Chef Don.
It's covered with sauce of kulma. So traditionally, kulma tayo on the side of the blessing around egg, the sauce.
Just like that, natapos kaming mag-serve ng 3 dishes for more than 230 people times 3, 690 plates ang aming ginawa. Whew! Sarap!
For your success and grateful that 3 of my chef friends have agreed to showcase our local food for you tonight. Let us meet Chef Angelo.
Ang sarap nung klase ng pagod na ginawa today. It's a different kind of work. It's a different kind of adrenaline. Masayang nakakapagod sobra. But I think it just feels good to be working with friends, number 1. Number 2, parang dahil ang gagaling nila, kailangan mong mag-step up lagi na huwag maging complacent kasi ramdam na ramdam mo yung kung gaano nila kamahal yung innovation na ginagawa nila through with what they cook. Nakaka-challenge to be creative. Yun yung pinaka masarap na experience dun sa lahat ng pagod na naramdaman namin. Thinking of the dish, it's something na hindi ko na favorite ko ang chicken inasal, pero never ko na imagine na gagawa ako ng version ng chicken inasal. Yung parang sobra kang in love sa dish na yun, parang ayaw mo siyang hawakan, ayaw mo siyang guluhin. Felt good na after kanina nung nagumabas na yung mga food, tapos some friends would drop by at sasabihin nasarapan sila sa dish mo. Nakaka-encourage gawin ulit kasi minsan parang sa sobrang busy nalilimutan mo na yung art of cooking, yung the different senses would participate in the thing. So sarap mag-create. Ang sarap ma-challenge to create. Thank you dahil sinamahan niyo ako. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa isang araw with me na ibang klaseng trip, ibang klaseng trabaho. I hope nag-enjoy kayo matakam dun sa mga niluto naming tatlo. I'm actually thinking na dahil natatakam kayo sa mga to, parang gusto ko itong i-offer somewhere in, I don't know which concept, para masubukan nyo yung sinabi nilang masarap. Thank you for joining me.